Hey y'all, welcome back to another daily vlog. It's your girl Ashley Marie, and guess what? I'm just happy for you to be here. If you're tuning into today, thank you so much. For if you are a subscriber, if you're not, what are you doing? Why are you still spectating? Come on, join the channel and have a good time. Yeah, let's just get into it. Probably like, why am I starting this off with my bonnet, right? I'm starting it off in my bonnet because I have not been doing any daily vlog content. I still have some on my phone that I didn't upload yet, but I realized that I haven't been filming more. That's how we got here. Excuse the bonnet. Y'all should know by now. Please excuse the bonnet. Yes, so today I'm gonna be filming a hair video, my usual weekly hair video, and I'm sorry, I'm tired. My son, he's been not feeling well for the last couple days, so it's taking a lot out of me. But nevertheless, I might put some behind the scenes because I actually got to use the same phone camera, so I'm gonna try and put that in there, but I can't film at the same time when I'm doing this. So I'm gonna do this, then I'm gonna come back to you guys, okay? So I wanted to at least try to give you some type of behind the scenes. I'm currently trying to twist my hair for this hair video. Also, I'm about to go downstairs and put some laundry in. Get the blankets. Get your blanket and my blanket. Dang gnats. That's because it's so many gnats in this house. And then they get in my nose. And that makes me upset. And y'all probably laughing at that. But yo, they're disrespectful in this house. Before we even get down here, it's not your average. I mean, then again, it could be your average basement. But basement is under construction. A basement is a basement. Now, if you got a finished basement, that's good for you. Cause that boy coughing on one of our blankets. Just wash that. My favorite scarf. So right now, I'm about to just fold these clothes up. But after I do my hair, cause my hair is drying up, so I'm gonna do these clothes after I get this hair done. Dang, this hair is getting long. Look how long it is. Watch out, new growth. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, I miss that short haircut though. We'll see if it makes a return. Until then. Some of y'all was getting on me in the comments with my little Where has the time gone? I really feel like I ain't talked to y'all, sorry. I really feel like I ain't been talking to y'all this whole day. So let's go over what happened, right? As I eat my food, because I made my dinner. Y'all saw my dinner? Got some chicken wings. Not hot. Barbecue chicken wings with that good seasoning, my special seasonings. What did I put on top? Did I put basil or parsley? I put parsley inside this, which is potato and chicken. I'm sorry, I can't even talk right now. Today was pretty chill. Like I said, my son, he wasn't feeling well, and for the most part, today was rainy. It was very, like, I love rainy days, but I could feel like this was a rainy day that just was like a tiring one. So I was kind of like tired. I took a nap literally today. Don't normally do that. Yeah, so we really didn't do too much. This daily vlog is a very laid back one. Be prepared, when you watch this. But never top over here, you know what I'm saying? Just on the laptop. Now I'm about to eat. I really didn't do too much today, honestly. I just did laundry, took care of my son, napped, fixed food, and yeah, I'm about to just, I do want to read my book. So look, I'm gonna show you my book. I'm proud of myself, because guess what? I'm not a book girl, but I'm starting to become a book girl now that I'm early, 30s. I'm 30, so let's just get that out there. Bring it back. Anyway, so I got this book, and this is what it's called. I've been trying to get started reading it. I read a few pages. I really want to improve my reading, and then improve my vocabulary. Like, I know some words, you know what I'm saying? Inconspicuous, ostentatious, supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, y'all know if y'all know. But anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna challenge myself. I really would like to read this whole thing. I don't know, because I got it from the library, so yeah, I'm challenging myself to read. Maybe I could do that after I eat instead of watch a movie, because I was gonna watch a movie that I got from the library, but I don't know. But I really want to start reading and become that book girl, you know what I'm saying, with glasses, just sitting there on a rainy day like today, pop open this book and be like, I ain't got no glasses, but I want to look studious, but I actually want to be studious. I'm gonna sit here, eat my food, not doing too much. Like I said, it's a relaxing kind of day, and that's it. That's it, friend. Oh, God, thank you for this food. Bless this food. Keep this food from hurting my body. Allow it to be clean, God, and any hands that, besides my hands that touch the chicken and this potato, allow for them to be blessed, God. And I thank you for allowing them to even have worked on cutting this chicken up. God, I just thank you, God. Bless this food, and I pray for those that don't have food that they have food. In Jesus' mighty name, amen. Bon appetit. That's that chicken that keep your husband coming back home. Ladies, we are practicing to be wives, you know what I'm saying? Cook. Practice cooking. Cook for that man. Cook for yourself. And that man. Yeah. You see your husband. I know you watching. I prefer this good. This chicken had him saying, baby, I want 5 of them. 5 of what? Children. No, let me stop. A wifey. That's that wifey, that's that, you know what I'm saying? Put that on there. Put that on there. Don't play with me. I got my juice, which is all the way over there. This baked potato is good too. I notice when I eat my pinky and when I drink, that's how you know I'm classy. Nah, it's usually whenever I do the right hand, but my hand is sticky. Classy.